Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. Today we're doing a deep dive into how to professionally light your outdoor living area to create a year-round sanctuary. Good lighting is more than just safety, it's about extending your home's personality into the garden, creating a space for dining, relaxing and memories. To get that professional look, we use 3 layers: ambient for general glow, task for functional areas, and accent to highlight your garden's best features. Ambient lighting provides your base layer. Think string lights, wall lanterns, or soft overhead pendants that set a cozy mood without being harsh. Task lighting is functional. You'll want focused beams over steps for safety and bright, clear light at your BBQ or dining table for practical use. Accent lighting is where the magic happens. Spotlights and uplights draw the eye to your favourite plants, sculptures, or that beautiful water feature. For reliability, I always recommend low-voltage LED systems. Solar is a great eco-friendly DIY option, but for security and tasks, LEDs are far superior. Technical specs matter. Always check the IP rating of your fixtures. IP44 is great for general patios, but use IP65 for areas exposed to heavy rain. And if you have a pond or water feature, you'll need IP68 rated submersible lights to safely highlight those reflections at night. When lighting paths, follow the 5 to 7 foot rule. Spacing lights this way eliminates dark spots while keeping the design clean and uncluttered. At entrances and driveways, bollards and post lanterns offer a welcoming first impression and clearly define your boundaries for guests. On your patio, wall-mounted sconces are timeless. They provide a high-end, permanent feel that frames your outdoor furniture perfectly. Security lighting doesn't have to be ugly. Integrated motion sensors at side paths and garages offer peace of mind without ruining the aesthetic. Use directional floodlights along your fences. Aim them downward to softly define boundaries and eliminate dark hiding spots without blinding your neighbours. Modern smart lighting lets you set timers and custom scenes from your phone, so your sanctuary is always ready when the sun goes down. Don't forget maintenance. Every season, walk your garden to clean lenses and adjust light positions as your plants grow and change shape. Regularly check your wires for wear and ensure they're safely buried away from foot traffic and lawnmowers to prevent any accidents. For period homes, consider handmade or heritage-style lanterns. They preserve your home's character while providing modern functionality. Transforming your garden with light is one of the most rewarding home projects you can do. It truly changes how you live in your outdoor space. With a thoughtful plan and these expert tips, you can create a cozy year-round retreat that you'll enjoy for years to come. Thanks for watching. For the full guide and more gardening inspiration, visit us at gardennestliving.com. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social. Ready to light up your life? Let's get started today. I'll see you in the next video.